Look at that! Two babers. Awesome. Alright, look at that. Second cast. Nice little bass. Hopefully there's some bigger ones in here, but that was fun. Nice hit. Pretty darn good. All right, let's gear up. Hello everybody. Hey, before we get going on this one, could you please take a sec and subscribe to the channel? It would be much appreciated. Thank you. All right, I've been heading down into the Snake River Canyon for a while. Just got to this first dam here and this reservoir, so I can finally see some water. So then there's two more dams downstream after this one, so I'm going to go all the way down to Hell's Canyon and then drop down into a staircase, and then I'll be lower elevation than the Grand Canyon is. So never been here before, so it's super exciting for me. Love exploring new places, and hopefully we catch some nice fish. Hey babe, how you doing? Good to see ya. Not gonna move? Alright. Gonna see you later. Alright, check this out. Just drove 3.5 hours to get here. Got the dam right here. There's some stairs down that goes down into the canyon, so I'm gonna get my pack on and we're gonna head down there and see if we can catch a big fish. Let's have some fun. All right. Yeah. Deep Creek Trail. Hills Canyon Dam. Wow, look at those power lines going straight up. That's crazy. No fishing from the dam. Don't litter. Okay. Deep Creek Stairway. Trail number 218. This ought to be freaking amazing. Wow. I'm gonna have to take my time on this. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. Wild. Alright. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! A little spongy there. All right. Idaho Power. Wow. Oh, that's a ways down. Goodness gracious. Seems secure. It's not moving or anything. Well, very much. Pretty cool, really. Oh, I think that was a rock chuck. Okay, this is pretty steep. Wow. Okay, nice and easy. Awesome. Oh, pretty birdie. Oh, you should have stayed longer. There you are, you're still there. You're a nice bird. Little one. Looks like you got a little color in you. Yeah, you're pretty. You gonna let us look at you? Oh, a little bit. Oh, that last stairs, a little bit of a drop. Okay. Okay, this stairs, last stairs are dropped too. Oh, there's a rock. That helps. Okay. All right. We're doing it. Making it happen. Got shorts on. Need to watch out for poison ivy. It's supposed to be over 100. In Nampa it was forecast to be 102, but I would think that down in here it's not going to get near that hot. Probably be a while till we even get direct sunlight. I've been driving down, down, down. And now we're still going down. Okay, it's more stairs coming up here. Man, tons of cobwebs getting all over my face. It's the bottom stair that'll get you, it looks like. This is great. It looks like it is very low. Oh wow. Check out those goats. There's two little babies and a mama. They haven't seen me yet. I'm sure they're not gonna like me coming through here. What a great find. We're gonna get a good look at them. Hey babes, how you doing? I'm gonna bug you, I'm sorry. Look at that, two babers. Awesome. Oh yeah, she's curious, looking back at me. Our bird likes us. I don't know if we'll be able to hear that on the recording, but it was calling there. Man, I think just little spiders have been going across the stairs here. Little webs are getting all over my face. Okay, wow, look at this last bit. Okay, well, looks like there's some fishing right here. I'm kind of more interested in over by where the creek is. I want to go check that out. I'm sure there's nobody in here because those goats were there, and with all the webs across the staircase, doubtful. There's a trail right there, and I don't know if that's going to be the best way to get over there or what. That's where I want to go. It's obvious, or it looks obvious, that you're not going to get around this concrete structure on the bottom side there. So we're going to have to go up and around here. And looks like they've made use of some natural rocks for stairs here. Oh, you get a little, that seems good. Helpful. Nice. Cable there. Alright. Some kind of fish remains there. Okay, I have bait and lures, so get the 2-pole permit, so we can do both. Get some bait in and and working the other pole with the lures. Wow. Holy moly. Those goats were cool. Look at their environment here. Oh yeah, there's that creek. If it's good, we'll hang for a while. If not, we'll head over to that other spot we saw at first there. Oh, those purple rocks are cool. There might be a fish or two, maybe a small trout in that creek. I'll keep the trout. Anything over 20 inches is a steelhead, and it's catch and release those right now. Pretty darn good. All right, let's gear up. Look at that. Second cast. Nice little bass. Very cool. I got a bite on that first one too, so it ought to be really good. Nice fish right there. Pretty good one. So good. Okay, got another one. Nice little babes. Be cooperative, come on. All right. Look at that. Woohoo! Hopefully there's some bigger ones in there, but that was fun. Nice hit. So fun. We're killing it. Nothing huge, but those are nice little fish. Yay. Oh yeah, that's 3. They're all about exactly the same size. Woohoo! There he is. Gorgeous. So fun. That's 4. Loving it. It's so awesome. Beautiful place. Slaying the fish. I'd like to catch a trout. I'd like to catch a steelhead. Could happen. About the same. That's 5. That's probably the biggest one yet, but very similar. Gorgeous bass. Almost every cast, awesome. Alright. That's the best one yet. That's a nice one. Okay, that's it. I caught 11. A bunch of people showed up and they're killing it too. Lots of bass in here. That's the only species I saw. So we'll head up these stairs and go try to find another spot.